Hello guys, and it's been a while since the last time we meet each other, and yes, this time you won't be able to see my face right now, because I decided to not show my face in the future, because I think something is changing. Copy one man's face become either and either, so I don't want to do this anymore. Anyway, just listen and watching, it will be fine. So this time we're gonna stick on Python machine learning and deep learning with Python, Scikit-learn, and TensorFlow. We will read this book entirely. Okay, I don't wanna just say give up. That's not my style. And recently I found it's very hard for me to continually learn AI stuff. So I think something must be changed. I know I have to do some change to make things right. So basically, the first thing I found is Firefox is indeed a good tool to help you guys reading TFD, reading DFT, reading PDF. Yeah, that's right. It's a good tool for you to reading PDF books. For example, now you can select the words and you will get the transportation, I guess. Yes. So if I choose two words, it will give you your mother language's translation. You'll get it. Okay, that's cool. Because as you can see here, we're in local. So if we go to somewhere and just use the Firefox and that PDF, we should be able to edit it. We should be able to open it right in Firefox. Okay, that's cool. And then the second thing I want to show you is it's somehow support bookmarks. For example, now I'm in, I don't know how to say it, maybe 6th page, and I just have to right click here and bookmark this link, give it to toolbar and say current view, okay, and click C. Okay, you should be able to see this. Now let's open a new one and close the old one. Now click the current view. Then you should be able to go back to your reading made before. So that's a cool function, you know, you can continually to read those things. Okay, let's jump into the jungle. Go to, I don't know, just jump into chapter 2 because I have read a lot of chapter 1 in different AI books and I found its useless and sure you can understand it, but when you go to chapter 2 you will regret why you are not smart. So let's read it. Training simple machine learning algorithms for classification. Okay, it's easy to understand. In this chapter, we will make use of two of the first algorithmically described machine learning algorithms for classification. Okay, now I think something must be changed. 我不能够听没有声音的翻译。所以让我们去找一下有没有相关的 extension could show us how to pronounce that word. Yeah, right now I'm feeling good with this extension, and I feel good. For example, you can just click it twice, and it will give you the translation and the pronunciation. Okay, it's fine. Perceptron 单字. In this chapter, we will make use of two of the first degree thematically described machine learning algorithmically. The perceptron 感知和 adaptive 和自信的 linear nervous. We will start by implementing a perceptron step by step in Python and training it to classify different flower species in the error dataset. This will help us understand the concept of machine learning algorithms for classification and how they can be efficiently implemented in Python. Okay, discussing the basics of optimization using adaptive linear nervous will then lay the groundwork for using more powerful classifiers with the Skydner machine learning library in Chapter 3, a tour of machine learning classifiers using Skydner. Okay, the topics that we will cover in this chapter are as follows. 1. Building an intuition for machine learning algorithms. Yeah, of course. And using Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib to read in, process, and visualize data. Implementing linear classification algorithms in Python. That's fine, and we will do this.